Hello student, today we will discuss about the root and sum of root and product of roots. So I think you know very well about the sum of roots. I think root of the quadratic equation. So if I am saying find the sum of root and product of roots, so what you will do, just take a sum and take a product. Okay, so just I am saying let equation x square plus 2x plus 1 equals to 0. So just I am saying find the sum of root. Find the sum of root. So what you will do? What you will do? Just you will find the roots and take a sum. So I am saying what is the root of this quadratic equation? We can say x plus 1 whole square equals to 0. So the root is minus 1 and minus 1. Okay, these are repeated roots. I think repeated roots. That's why we can say this one root is minus 1, another is minus 1. So what is the sum? What is the sum? You will take na minus 1. You just take a sum of these two roots. So minus 1 or plus of minus 1. This is the sum of root. So it become minus 2. And when we will say if calculate the product of root. So what is the product? Minus 1. Thus multiply minus 1 and minus 1. We will get the product of root. So it become 1. So these are the value of sum of root and product of root. Okay. So you will take you can also find in this way, but I will suggest you this is best. This is not a best method. I will suggest you. So if you are trying to find the sum of root and product of root, so take a just find out the value of a and b and c and take a formula by use the formula from alpha plus beta equals to minus b by a and alpha into beta equals to c by a. Just use this formula. So what is this formula? I'm saying what is the formula? So I'm saying let I have a equation ax square plus bx plus c. This is the quadratic equation. Okay, so when we will say, when we will tell you find the root of this quadratic equation, what we will do, just find the value of I am letting just these are alpha and beta are roots. Okay, so I will assume the alpha and beta are the root of this quadratic equation. So we will write sum of root. I think this is root na alpha and beta. So that's why we will write alpha plus beta equals to minus b by a. Okay, minus times of b upon me. What is the b? Coefficient of x, and what is the a? A is the coefficient of x square. This will give you the root of the quadratic equation. Not need to find the exact root of the quadratic equation. Okay, so and also product of root become c by a. This is the two formula. C is the constant term and a is the coefficient of x square. This is the matter when you are trying to find the sum of root. In the previous slides you can say we have to calculate the roots. We have to calculate the roots alpha and beta, and after that you will take a sum and product. But I am suggesting you will use you can use this formula, because of in this formula you no need to find the exact root. Just take a simple, just divide the coefficient of x by coefficient of x square and constant term by coefficient of x square. So let us say at example, I am taking an example. So this is a, let I have a equation a 2x square plus 5x plus 3. This is our quadratic equation. So how to find the sum of root? How we will find the sum of root? So I have already told you sum of root become minus b by a, minus b by a. What is the value of b? B is this constant term na, sorry, b is the coefficient of x na. So what is the value of b? B is the 5. Okay, and what is the value of a? A is 2. No, don't remember, please don't forget this minus sign. Don't forget this minus sign, because of this will this is the this minus sign comes from formulas. Okay, so I am saying this minus is necessary, right? You have to write minus. Okay, so this become minus 5 by 2. So sum of root is minus 5 by 2. How we will find product of root? It become 3 by 2. Okay, constant term upon में c by a ना. I am already told you c by a, c. What is the v? C is the coefficient constant term. So constant term is 3, and what is the coefficient of x square? Is 2. So that's why 3 by 2. Okay, so Now this is the method to find the root of the quadratic equation. Okay, so root of the quadratic equation. This is the method to sum of root and product of root. So I am taking one more example. If you are I am saying sum of if the quadratic equation x square 2x plus 3 equal to 0. Okay, 2x plus 3, find the root of sum of root and product of root. So sum of root we can say alpha plus beta, and alpha into beta is the product of root. If alpha and beta are the root of the quadratic equation of this. Okay, so alpha plus beta, what is the value of alpha plus beta? It become minus 2 upon 1, and product of root become 3 by 2. So simple, na? So simple. So I am saying this is the method to find the root of the sum of root and product of root. No need to find the exact root, because of some time you no need to, you can't find the root of exact root, because it is very difficult to find the roots. Okay, so I'm saying just find the value of find the root 2x square plus x plus 1. So I'm saying what is the root of this, what is the value of sum of root and what is the product of root. So someone try, we will find the root by using the formula of discriminant, and then we will add up. So when you are trying to find the root, then you will take d equal to b square minus 4ac. Then value of b become 1 or minus 4 into 1 into 2. So value of d is become less than 0. Value of d is less than 0. I think in known, I think you know very well, when d is less than 0, then root is not possible. I think real root is not possible. Real root is not possible. That's why you know, you don't know how to calculate this type of, how to tackle this type of question when d is less than 0. That's why I'm saying just take a just use the formula minus b by a and alpha c by a. Because of this method is by using this method you can simply find the sum of root and product of root. Okay, so this type of question, when the root is not real, I think d is less than 0. When d is less than 0, then at that time it is very difficult to find the sum of root and product of root. Okay, so I will suggest you use this formula. Okay, I use this formula. So one more example I am taking, one more example I will. So I am saying ki how to form the quadratic equation when sum of root and product of root is given. Sometime I am saying ki samrat I am saying ki one root is 4, another is 2. One of quadratic equation whose root is 4 and minus 2. And someone saying sum of root is 2, and someone saying product of root is 8. Sum of root is 4 and product of root is 8. So how we will find the root? How we will find the root? Okay, how we will find the root? You can, it is very difficult, but how will find the characteristic, how to form that quadratic equation in which these two roots, these two root or sum of root or product of root comes. Okay, so how will find? Okay, so this is the formula, this is the formula to find the quadratic equation when sum of root and product of root is given. When sum of root, this is the sum of root, it means alpha plus beta, and product of root, it means alpha into beta. So you can simply write x square minus x alpha plus beta plus में alpha into beta equals to 0. This is the formula for the to find the quadratic equation when sum of root and product of root is given. When I'm saying, let us example, I'm saying sum of root is 2. Okay, sum of root is 2 and product of root is 5. Find the quadratic equation. If one of quadratic equation whose sum of root is 2 and product of root is 5, find that quadratic equation. So just we will take simply write x square minus x. What is the sum of root? Is 2 na? So just write 2. And what is the product of roots? 5. So just simply put it here. 5 equals to 0. So it becomes x square minus 2x plus 5. So this is the quadratic equation for the root whose root is for the root of whose product of root is 5 and sum of root is 2. Okay, so this is the formula. Just this is very simple, but you have to remember when sum of root is given, then how to find the roots, and how to find the how to find sum of root and product of root when quadratic equation is given. Okay, these are two methods to find the root of find the quadratic equation and find the sum of root and product of root. Okay, so I am taking one more example. So if I am saying if I am saying ki find the value of alpha square plus beta square, okay, so just I'm saying taking simple, so simple. Find the value of 1 by upon alpha and beta if 2x square plus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, alpha and beta is the root of, here alpha and beta is the root of the quadratic equation. Find the value of this. Okay, if the quadratic equation is this. Okay, so find the value of this if the quadratic equation, okay, I'm saying if the alpha and beta are the roots of quadratic equation this, then find the value, find the value of 1 upon me alpha plus 1 upon me beta. So how we'll find? So we know, after we have to calculate this 1 upon me alpha 1 upon beta. So we know when we will take LCM, so it become alpha into beta and this become beta plus alpha. And also we know very well, beta alpha plus beta sum of is sum of root, and alpha into beta is the product of root. So we can calculate sum of root. Sum of root, what is the value of sum of root? Minus b by a, it become minus 2 by 3 by 2. And what is the value of product of root? It become 2 by 2, which is equals to 1. So you can say alpha plus beta, just put alpha plus value of alpha plus beta, it which is given, which is already calculated, 3 by 2 minus and minus 3 by 2, and sum of product of root is 1, so it become 1. So minus 3 by 2 is our answer for the value of value of 1 upon me alpha plus 1 upon me beta become minus 3 by 2. So this is the value of 1 upon me alpha plus 1 upon me beta. Okay, so these are the basic concept to find the particular value of in the terms of sum of root and product of root. Okay.